Well, this of course is a reference to the way President Buhari, the way he described the Igbos, say that we are a dot in the circle. So this is a caricature. Yes, we might be a dot in the circle, but without a dot, nothing exists. Not even a circle. Okay, everything starts with a dot. So we are saying that we are proudly, accepting that description. We can't be ignored. Without the dot, there's no circle. Without the dot, there's nothing. So that's the message we are sending. Thank you so much.
How you want to offer to Igbos in Nigeria from all our diaspora? Which help do you have for Igbos in Nigeria right now?
Well, the first thing really is for them to know, to understand that they are not alone. This fight is not for them alone. We are part of it. We are Igbos. It doesn't matter where we are. We have one homeland, eternal homeland, Igbo land. Thank you. Thank you.
Chukwuemeka Oti has just addressed the crowd. He's saying that all the Igbos in Nigeria is advising you to take heart that all the Igbos all over the world, that they are solidly behind you. You are not alone. And it's a very encouraging sentence. You are really not alone. All the diaspora Igbos worldwide, they are with you. You are not alone. So if it is this message from Mazoti that we are taking home tonight, Njenje Media will be so happy about it. So thank you so much. Yeah, of course. Yeah, this one.
Hello everybody. Hello Piccadilly. Hello Manchester. Hello, Nigeria.
We are listening to the voice of Dr.
Everybody all over the world.
One of the medical doctors.
Thank you for this
Igbo
opportunity today.
Produce medical doctors here in Manchester. We are listening to him addressing the crowd.
We are the people of the Igbo nation of Nigeria. We are people from Nigeria. You'll be wondering why we're all here today. We are here to make our voices heard all over the world. The same demonstration here today is being replicated in every city, in every major city all over the world, in Europe, North America, Africa, South America. All the Igbo people of the Igbo nation of Nigeria are making their voices heard all over the world because of what is happening back home, because of what is going on in Nigeria. The Igbo people of Nigeria are a good 60 to 70 million people spread all over the world. And what we are demonstrating today is about the political situation in Nigeria, the political situation where we are not having the basic human rights of freedom, fairness, and equality, which is the basic human right of everybody who lives in this planet Earth. That is also based on the World Health Organization declaration that people should be free to determine where they come and who rules over them. People should be free for self-determination, and that is what the Igbo people of Nigeria are fighting for. We have situations where one ethnic nationality in Nigeria is monopolizing everything that is happening, monopolizing the process. There are extrajudicial killings going on. You would have heard about Boko Haram in Nigeria, where we have the terrorist organization who are being backed by the federal government. That is part of what we are fighting for today. We want to make our voices heard so that everybody will be aware of this. It's not just that. We love everybody back home in Nigeria. We are not against anybody, but what we are fighting for is to have that equality, to be a part of the nation and to be able to determine our own future as people in the country. We resolutely stand for freedom, autonomy, and defense of our own ethnic nationality and our region. There are things happening where people are being detained and incarcerated even without trial, while other people who are committing much more heinous offenses are under the sponsorship of the federal government. These are the things that we want to bring to your notice for the world at large to know that we want to say no to things like this. Things like these are going on, but they are unreported. That is why we're here, to make our voices heard. And we are taking our destiny into our own hands by coming here to demonstrate today. And we are very peaceful people, and we are demonstrating very peacefully. We are engaging in the political process by making our voices heard, and we hope that you'll be able to tell your MPs or your councillors or wherever they are to point their attention to this part of Nigeria where the Igbo nation lives. We thank you very much for listening to us, and we hope that you will be able to support us. You can Google Nigeria at any time or the Igbo nation to find out more about what's going on. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Allow me to take you to the village for a minute.